Okay, student, earlier we had discussed about the splitting in tetrahedral complexes. Understood? In that we had seen that the energy of Eg will be increased less and the energy of T2G will be increased more. Understood? So we had discussed all this. We had drawn the diagram also. Now we will be discussing one thing is left, that we will conclude. Okay. So let's see what is left. Okay. So here I told you that the degeneracy should be maintained during the increasing and lowering of energy. So जितनी एनर्जी कम हो रही है उतनी एनर्जी बढ़ रही है, तो द टोटल एनर्जी विल बी इक्वल, तो जो एवरेज एनर्जी है वो उतना ही रहता है. अंडरस्टूड? सो दैट द degeneracy will be maintained. Okay, so what is happening here, you can see here what is the two orbitals are there, and if it is 0.6 dq, 0.6 del t, you can say that the CFSE is 0.6 del t. So two orbitals are there, 0.6 into 2 if we will do, the answer will be 1.2, 1.2, and it is minus, so this will be minus 1.2. Okay, minus 1.2, and here what is happening? Here plus 0.4 is your energy gap. Okay, three orbitals are there, so what will be the answer? If we will do 0.4 into 3, what will be the answer? 1.2, 1.2 del t. Understood? So this will be plus 1.2 del t. Okay, 1 plus 1.2 del t, and this is minus 1.2 del t. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 0. So the degeneracy is maintained as the answer is 0. Okay, so जितनी एनर्जी बढ़ रही है उतनी एनर्जी घट भी रही है. Understood? So this you can calculate like this. Now one more thing I want to tell you, that in crystal field tetrahedral splitting, what is the magnitude of splitting? Understood? I told you that which will be affected more, this will be repelled less and this will be repelled more. Understood? So here you can see 4 ligands are there. How many ligands are there? 4 ligands are there. There in octahedral complexes 6 ligands were there. Understood? 6 ligands were there. So the splitting energy will be more. Understood? The splitting energy will be more in comparison to what? In comparison to the splitting energy of tetrahedral complexes. Understood? 6 ligand जितना ज़्यादा असर करेगा, 4 ligand उससे कम करेगा. Of course, splitting will be there, but it will be less. So we will see the magnitude and we will see the effect of ligands. You might be knowing in octahedral complexes. Now we will see in tetrahedral complexes. Okay, here first you can see this magnitude of del T depend upon the type of ligands. Okay, magnitude of del O भी type of ligands पे depend करेगा. Understood? If the ligand is strong field, the repulsion will be more, and if the ligand field will be weaker, then the repulsion will be less. Understood? Okay, so that you can see the example, magnitude of del T depends upon the type of ligand. Understood? Type of ligand. Okay. Now strong field ligand like CN, NH3, like cyanide, NH3. Okay. In the presence of strong field ligand, there will be more splitting. Understood? There will be more splitting. Understood? And the value will be more. The del T value will be more. And here, in the presence of weak field ligand, like H2O, okay, H2O, these are neutral ligands, these are weaker ligands, okay, weaker ligands I told you, fluoro, chloro, okay, H2O, these are weaker ligands. In this, in the presence of this ligand, the splitting will be less. Understood? The splitting will be less, okay. So these things you should remember. Now we will be discussing about the energy difference. Okay, first see the diagram. I have drawn this diagram like this. This is the tetrahedral splitting only. But here I have drawn the energy gap smaller than this one. Okay. Here the energy gap is lesser than this one. Okay. And one more thing, that is the comparison of del T and del O. As there were 6 ligands and here there are 4 ligands, so the splitting would be less. Understood? So it is considering that magnitude of del T is less compared to del O. The magnitude of del T is less as compared to the magnitude of splitting of del O. Understood? Okay. So how much less? You can see del T is equal to 4 by 9 del O. Understood? Del T कितना less है? 4 by 9 कम है किससे? Del O से. Understood? Okay. Or it is the 4 by 9th part of del O. Understood? It is the relation between the del T and del O. How much less is the magnitude? Okay. Now, tetrahedral splitting can be divided into two as if in case there is a weaker ligand. Okay. Weak ligands are there. So, in the presence of weak ligand, there will be less splitting. And in the presence of strong ligand, there will be more splitting. Splitting होगी जरूर, but it depends on the type of ligand. Understood? In the presence of weak ligand, the splitting will be less and the repulsion will be less. Okay. And here, in the presence of strong ligand, the repulsion will be more and splitting will be more. Understood? So the energy can differ in that way also. Okay. You can see that this is the diagram. This is what it is happening. The same splitting is same, but here what is happening? The splitting is less here and the splitting is more there. Understood? What you can write? This splitting can be explained that in the presence of weak field ligand. Weak field ligand, the splitting will be less, and that is the splitting in the presence of strong field ligand. Okay, you can write strong field ligand. Okay, so this is the diagram you can draw. Okay, now we will see in this only we will be discussing about the pairing energy. Okay, I am telling you small thing, that is pairing energy, then we will be discussing it in detail. Pairing energy is what? The energy which is required to pair the electrons. Okay, the energy which require to pair up the electrons. Electrons को pair करने के लिए जो energy चाहिए, that is called pairing energy. Okay, now in this tetrahedral complexes, two conditions arise, you see, in the presence of strong field ligand and in the presence of weak field ligand. So the pairing will also be differ, as in the presence of strong field ligand there is a different condition and in the presence of weak field ligand there is a different condition. So we will be seeing that in the next video. Okay, so up to here you can draw the diagram. Okay, and please practice this diagram.